Welcome back to How to Make It with Lily, everyone. We're going back to the Dollar Tree because, again, they have released new items for Halloween of 2023. So I was just there yesterday, August the 15th of 2023, and I spotted all these new items. Let's go browse together. How adorable is this ghost cup? You can definitely use it as a cup or DIY for another project. These plates were another favorite of mine, and they had the witch, the jack-o'-lantern, a mummy, and Frankenstein to choose from. Let me show you. These were also new this year, and they're candy jars. These are one of my favorite trays to use for Halloween, and I use them to make a skeleton candy tray. Click the link on the above right hand corner to see how that was done. If you see these miniature cauldrons, pick some up because I will be making something in the very near future which I'm sure you're going to love and want to make too. One of my favorite finds this year at the Dollar Tree store were these brooms. I could see so many projects to do with these, and one including where you can do please park your brooms here and stick a sign on them and hang it somewhere. I think it's going to be super adorable. These standing plaque signs were another favorite of mine, and I could see these going very quick. This was a skeleton foot, and if you buy 3 of them, glue it together, put a candle holder on top, you have a great candle holder piece for Halloween. I really love these vintage Halloween signs, especially the black and white ones. They look really chic. Comment down below and let me know what is your theme for Halloween this year, and also what really stood out of this video for you. Friends, thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with a family or a friend. Also, if you like these type of videos, subscribe. It's completely free, and hit the notification bell. All these actions help to support the growth of the channel. Thank you again. See you back soon.